When bird laying eggs, then you can sell your eggs. And once you sell these eggs in eggs warehouse by collecting these eggs in warehouse, your eggs, which is generated by these birds, each birds have different quality. Then you can sell here your sell eggs, and then you can get your gold coins here. These gold coins divided into two parts, which is first is gold bars and second is gold coins. So what are the gold coins? Gold coins are only using for purchase the bird, and the gold bars for available to withdraw real funds. The thing is here to play this game is you can buy after the sign up you will be get a 300 gold coins for free. Once you collect that gold coins, you can go to the bird buy bird section. See here the list of birds are available. I recommended you if you have a free of cost gold coin, then you choose such a kind of the bird like the green bird choose and buy this bird, because the cost of this green bird is 150 coins, and this bird generated eggs per hourly. Five five of eggs this green bird generated every hour. Okay, I have the birds in my account. Like green birds I bought already one 111, and here the 33 yellow birds are available. These brown birds are available in my account 9, and blue birds are available 3. If you have if you wanted to generate your more eggs per hourly, then you can buy either the king bird or red bird, which is cost of definitely it's very high. The cost of gold coins is very high. That is the one lakh 50,000 gold coins are required to buy these red birds. And if you wanted to buy this bird, then you need replenish your account. So here the replenishment account setting, where you just click there, and you see here the €1 is equal to 9,150 gold coins we will be get once you if you wanted to buy this gold coin via your euro currency, or other payment method are available too. Here the Bitcoin, Ethereum are available. So you see here if you invested only 45 euros or 50 euros, then you will got 45,000, sorry, 4 lakhs 57,500 coins. Okay. Or if you just invested 20 euro, then you will get 1 lakh 83,000 gold coins, which you can then later buy these red birds, and remaining amount you can buy these blue birds. So this is how you can generate your eggs per hourly very fast. And then you see this is the eggs warehouse where eggs are generated here every hourly, and this is the section of that birds. So after that you can just need to collect this button and then go to the egg selling section, and here the birds are collected. And once you done that, your both whatever cost of the money is going to in two section. 70% go to the this gold coins for again bird purchase the bird, and 30% goes to the withdraw section. So here I am giving you showing you my withdraw funds. But remember, here for withdraw you need a crystals. Okay, so see this is the my already I withdraw here. The list of withdrawals are available here. The 6 January of 2021, 6 January of 2022, sorry, and the list of successful payment withdraw here. I choose the Russian ruble currency because it takes a minimum withdrawal limit. See, this is the show more section where I here the 135 rub already I was withdraw. So this is the currently up to now I withdraw here. You can choose the euro currency, USD currency, or rub currency. Minimum withdrawal limit of rub currency is very low. That is the 105 gold bars only required for withdraw one Russian ruble. And if you wanted to just euro currency, then minimum withdrawal limit is only 431 gold bars. But remember, you should aware about that the what kind of the Coinbird project is. This is the referral system. You should have a referrals. If you don't have a referral, then it it not worth it to, because of that referral program. This is a partner program which you will be, if you once join some of referrals, then you will be got kind of the huge amount of gold coins, and definitely you can generate only by referring such a kind of the crystals. So hence this program is definitely only worth it if you have a referrals. If you have any query, let me know in comment box, and I'm not recommended you here to any kind of the investment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care. Check out my description box where I giving you link.